Welcome to the Chemistry Live channel. Today we have a new module on the topic how to draw structure using software in chemistry. The module is retrosynthesis and synthesis of methyl salicylate. So let's quick jump into our topic and go to the software. That is our workplace. We have to draw the structure here. For that, first of all, we have to know what is the structure of methyl salicylate. So might be heard the word salicylate. It means there is a salicylic acid inside involved in that one. So for that we need to draw a salicylic acid structure. So first we have to pick benzene ring, then we pick two carbon, place it once here, one carbon is here, another carbon is here, double with double bond, and there is another carbon, but it's not that manner. We have to place a carbon in this manner. So what we did add this one, and we have to remove that carbon so we can place in proper position. Here we have to add OH. So here we have to add OH, here we also add O, and here we have to. So that is our methyl salicylate. The IUPAC name of methyl salicylate we have to discuss in that synthesis portion when we get a product methyl salicylate. So now press here the button and press in the retrosynthesis arrow. Draw the retrosynthesis arrow very carefully and then add in a draw section CO bond disconnection. C-O bond disconnection. So when you draw CO bond disconnection, that is very fruitful to you because we have to cut this bond from this position, or we can say we can cut this bond. It's this one. I will show you in clear manner. So for you guys it's very easy to understand. We have to select something, might be like this bond, and I will change the color of that bond. So for you it is very easy. So we can cut this between this bond. When we cut this bond, we got the salicylic acid. So we draw the structure of salicylic acid. So for that we copy the whole structure as like that, copy and paste it, put it here, so that is structure, and delete the unwanted CH3 group, the salicylic acid. So again, like we discussed previous, how to get a salicylic acid. So for that again the retrosynthesis we have to proceed, and on the retrosynthesis there is a bond disconnection between this carbonyl carbon and that benzene attached carbon. Then we will get here the phenol. So here C disconnection we have to approach, and when we approach with C disconnection we get phenol. So for that again we have to copy the structure in such a good manner, and only we get a phenol. Rest of the stuff is not considering inside that one. So copy and just paste. We have to put it here and we get our phenol. So that is all about the retrosynthesis of methyl salicylate. But now we are talking about the synthesis of methyl salicylate. So obviously that from what we get in retrosynthesis at the end, it is starting material for our synthesis portion. So for that purpose we need to have to copy this compound and somehow paste it here. Again we need to add a normal arrow for that one. So just place an arrow here and be careful to place an arrow or draw an arrow. And again place NaOH, because in the presence of sodium hydroxide we get sodium phenoxide, and actually we required it to get sodium phenoxide ion of compound. So again we have a compound, we have to just paste it here. We already copied it before. Now use a carbon here and O, place the oxygen here, and here sodium. So it's NH2, so for the sodium we have to click it here and place it sodium here. That is sodium phenoxide. So again we draw the arrow. So at the arrow drawing we have to write the CO2 and H+. The first step is, because it is Smith synthesis, so in Smith synthesis we have to add carboxylation and then we have to add acid attack, so we'll get our product, which is the salicylic acid. So we have to write here CO2. So the technique is very easy because in previous also we learned how to write this stuff. So we have add CO, the place that S minus the subscript portion, and 2 because it is first side, so we have to write first before another. Again press to the subscript, press the enter, again press the subscript because there is something like then. So 2 and H, press the superscript and press plus. So that is the first step is CO2 carboxylation, and the next step is addition of acid. So from that we'll get our compound, and this is salicylic acid. This is salicylic acid. From the salicylic acid now onwards the synthesis start, and it is very crucial to get it. So we have pressed again the arrow, and on the top of the arrow we have to mention two stuff. Number one is H2SO4 in the presence of methanol. Over there is H2SO4. So in that step, we have to write H2SO4 methanol. So be quick and write the H2SO4 in methanol. Go to the draw menu, number, press H, then subscript 2. So it's like the same manner you have to finish it, which we write it the CO2 as. Then press the enter, remove subscript and press CH3, or we have to write methanol directly. Complete that one, make it in straight manner. And then how to get our compound from here, because here the lone pair of electron and the lone pair of electron are passes over here. That H2SO4 just methanol becomes a protonated, and the protonated methanol attacked over the proton of protonated methyl attacked over here, so that becomes a H plus O plus H, and then rest the lone pair of the oxygen of the methanol is just attack over here, and we get our compound with following couple of steps. The steps is you can show in link button, which is I bar on the top of that video, so you can click and jump to the synthesis portion, which we already discussed. How to draw synthesis, how to draw mechanism of that particular synthesis of methyl salicylate. So now we have just finalized our step and put it that here our compound. So the next step we have to do, we have to draw a name. So go to the structure, tools, we have to go tools, generate, name of the structure. Here it is, methyl 2-hydroxybenzoate. Again copy this, so again select this, tools, calculate, molecular formula. Tools, calculate, molecular formula. So here we receive the molecular formula of that compound, that is that one. Select the structure again, go to the tools, calculate, molecular weight. So put the molecular weight here, at the last select the structure. So each and every time whenever you go to that, you have to select the structure, go to the tools, generate or calculate the M plus. There is a M plus value, you have to copy and paste it here or put it here for M plus value. So that type you have to require, and that passion you have to require to complete the experiment. So thank you for watching. And if you have any doubt, just write me in comment section. And if you want the file of that software which I prepared, so also write in comment section. I will straight to forward the file links to you. Please do not forget subscribe the channel and press the bell icon immediately so you can get notification when we upload the new video in the same series.